Dear students, welcome to our channel Physics for Beginners. Dear students, in previous lecture we have studied numericals on force constant, and in order to find force constant we use the definition of linear SHM, that is F is equal to minus kx, and therefore in magnitude F is equal to kx, therefore k is equal to F by x, and we find the value of k by using two types of the problems. K is equal to F by x. Here F and x both are given, then we substitute its value and we find k. But in other type of numericals, a certain mass attached to the spring, at that time k is equal to F by x, and this is equal to mg divided by x. So we put value of m, mass, small g, acceleration due to gravity, and displacement, and calculate force constants. So dear students, today we are going to study, or we are going to find the same, that is force constant, but by using another method, by using another formula, or by using differential equation of linear SHM. So as our plan, let us study the problem number 6, or numerical number 6. I think you are studied the 2 solved problems and 3 unsolved problems very properly. So let us start problem number 6. The differential equation for linear SHM. The differential equation for linear SHM of a particle of mass 2 gram is d2x by dt square plus 16x is equal to 0. Then we have to find the force constant. So as our study, what is the first steps? First step is data. Then we have to write a formula, and then we have to put the values, that is substitution, and find the answer. So again we read the same problem, and then we write data in sequence. So first steps is data. The differential equation for linear SHM of a particle of mass 2 gram. Particle of mass 2 gram. So m is 2 gram, and we know that 2 gram is equal to what? 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. Since 1 gram is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram, or 1 gram is equal to 10 raised to 3 gram, and this is equal to 0.002 kilogram. We have to write as per our convenience. Now what is given? differential equation. So again we have to write a differential equation. Given differential equation. What is the equation is given? d2x upon dt square plus 16x is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. We write the differential equation related to this particle. That is equation number 1. Now what is the second steps? We have to write the formula. Now what we have to find? Force constant. So force constant K is equal to m omega square or is equal to F by X or is equal to mg by X. So which equations are given? d2x upon dt square plus 16x is equal to 0. M is given. From this we can find omega square. So we have to decide this numerical related to which topic. So it is a clearly differential equation is given. So we have to solve this problem by using differential equation of linear HHM. So now we have to write general form for differential equation. In linear SHM. We know that the differential equation is d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Equation number 2. So compare equation number 1, equation number 2. A particular differential equation is given. Compare this differential equation with general differential equation of a particle performing linear SHM. So d2x upon dt square are the same. Plus is same. X is given, equal to 0 is given. So omega square must equal to 16. So therefore when we compare equation 1 and 2, so what we'll get? Therefore omega square is equal to 16. Omega square is equal to 16. So formula is K is equal to m omega square. F is not given. We can find, but displacement is not given. So we can't use these formulas. So without displacement we have to find K by m omega square. So K is equal to m omega square. So m is given 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Omega square we find 16. So this equation contains 3 unknowns. Out of them, one is given, other omega square we find. Only single unknown is remaining and only one equation. When we substitute these 2 unknowns here, what will get? K. So third step is substitution. Substitution. Substitute the value of omega square in the formula k is equal to m omega square. So therefore k is equal to m omega square. K is equal to m omega square. What is the value of m? The value of m is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. What is the value of omega square? 16. Since we need omega square, we don't find value of omega. If you want to find omega, then we can write omega is equal to plus minus 4, no doubt. So 16 into 2, 32. So k is equal to 32 into 10 raised to minus 3. So therefore, force constant k is 32 into 10 raised to minus 3. K is equal to F by m, F by x. So Newton per meter. So Newton per meter. So we can also find value of k when differential equation is given. We know that this problem can be solved simply, very simple manner in mind when you practice again and again. What we have to find? We have to find k is equal to m omega square. What is value of m? 2. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. When differential equation is given d2x upon dt square plus 16x, the coefficient of x is what? Omega square. So 2 into 16 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is the required answer. So when we study properly, we can easily find this answer in fraction of second also. Fraction of minute also, not second. It takes near about 15 to 20 seconds. So you have to solve problem properly. When the problem is given, it is related to which topic, you have to study properly. If you are not studied, then first study that topic, then step by step solve that problem or solve that numerical according to the board pattern. And after that, in order to get success in NEET or any other competitive exam, you have to think how we have to solve this problem in a short time. So 16 into 2, 32. It is gram is given, 10 raised to minus 3. So we can simply find this answer. But in board exam, you have to show all the steps because every step has some marks. Not answer has only half mark or 1 mark. So other marks may be lost. So first you have to develop the study in detail. Then you have to develop the ability to find the same in the shortcut way. Now we have to consider the second problem. Now we have to study the second problem. A body of mass 100 gram. A body of mass 100 gram is suspended from a rigid support by a light spring and it performs linear HHM in the vertical direction. If the frequency is 1.114 Hertz, find the force constant. Now here again we have to find the force constants. So dear students, again we read this problem carefully and write data step by step in symbol. Also we have to check all the data in one systems of units. So step number 1, data. A body of mass 100 gram. So M 100 not gram, 100 kilogram. It is suspended from rigid support by light spring and it perform linear SHM in vertical direction if frequency, so frequency is denoted by n is equal to 1.114 hertz. Find the force constants. Again we have to find K. Force constant is denoted by small k, so it is a question mark. Now we already studied 6 problems on this. So we write now formula. The second step is formula. While you studying the numericals on the same type, you have to write formula again and again so that due to practice you become perfect. We have to find K. We know that K is equal to F by X. If F not given, mass is suspended from the spring. At that time, instead of F we write mg divided by x. Again we studied that to find K, we take the reference of differential equation. In differential equation, we put value of K by M is equal to omega square. So K is equal to M omega square. In last lecture, from the differential equation, we find omega square, put value of M, so we get value of K. Here F is not given, but here we can find, no doubt, but displacement is not given, so this formula is not applied. So this formula is also not applied. Differential equation is not given here, so we can't apply this formula. But when we study K is equal to M omega square and we observe data, frequency is given. So omega is related to n by the relation 2 pi n. So M value of omega is 2 pi n square. Why? Since omega is equal to 2 pi n. So we get another formula. K is equal to 4 pi square n square and this M. First formula, K is equal to F by X. If F is not given, then K is equal to mg by x. If differential equation is given, use K is equal to M omega square. But differential equation is not given, frequency is given, put the value of omega is equal to 2 pi n. So we get this formula, K is equal to 4 pi square n square into M. So all values in this formula are known, so substitute all these values. So third step is substitution. Therefore K, what is the value of pi? Value of pi is 3.142 its square. What is the frequency is given? 1.114 its square into 4 pi square n square into m. M is equal to 100. M is equal to 100. So this equal to 100 into 4, 400. The value of the square of 3.142 is 9.872. Value of pi square frequently come in numericals, so learn it by mind. So 1.114 it 2 times, 1.114 into 1.114. So when we solve this problem, we get the answer. So the value of this come out to be 4900. Therefore force constant is 4900 Newton per meter. But when we observe light spring is given and here 100 kilogram is given, so it is not possible to handle this amount of weight, so that there is a printing mistake. So this 100 is a gram. So when the value of mass is 100, so what will get? Data is m is equal to 100 gram, and this is equal to 0.1 kilogram. This is equal to 0.1 kilogram. So there is a change in substitution. K is equal to 4 pi square n square into m. 100 gram means what? 100 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram. It is converted into kilogram. So into 10 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this answer is 4.9 Newton per meter. But when such a type of printing mistake is there, but don't count it at the time of exam. You have to solve problem according to the given values and handle the given situations. Now we study comparatively. M is given, M is given. Here a differential equation is given, here a differential equation is not given, frequency is given. So differential equation is given, then write down general equation, find value of omega square. So K is equal to m omega square, put value of m and omega square, find the value of force constant. If we are to find K by the m omega square, mass is given and frequency is given at that time, K is equal to m omega square. Substitute value of omega is equal to 2 pi n. So K is equal to m into in bracket 2 pi n square. So is equal to 4 pi square n square into m. Solve this problem and we get answer. So dear friends, we studied to find force constant by the 4 different way. K is equal to F by X is the first way. K is equal to mg by x is the second way. K is equal to m omega square by using the differential equation. K is equal to 4 pi square n square into m when frequency is given. So the value of K can be found the different way. So you have to handle such problems very carefully. Now students, problem for practice is given. The first problem, that is problem number 8. The differential equation of a linear harmonic oscillator of mass 2 kg is d2x by dt square plus 20x is equal to 0. Find the force constant of the motion. So small hint for you. What we have to find? Force constant. What is given? Differential equation. So which formula? K is equal to m omega square. Put value of m 2 kg. Value of omega square is 20 square. Then find the answer. Now we have to take a small hint for problem number 9. The differential equation for a linear SHM of a particle of mass 0.003 kg is d2x by dt square plus 18x is equal to 0. Find the force constant. Very simple. What is which formula? Differential equation is given. So K is equal to m omega square. What is value of m? 0.003 in kilogram. What is value of omega square? Value of omega square is coefficient of x. So 18. So into 18. So find your final answer and give the proper unit. Now last problem. A body of mass 200 gram is suspended from a rigid support by a light spring and perform linear SHM in vertical direction. If frequency is 2.0 Hz, find force constant. Frequency is given, mass is given. So again we find Fk from m omega square. Value of omega is not given, but frequency is given. So omega is equal to 2 pi n. So its square is 4 pi square n square, 4 pi square n square into m. Substitute value of pi square n square m, or substitute value of pi n and m and solve. So 4 into 3.142 square into 2.5 square into mass is what? 200 gram. So 200 into 10 raised to minus 3. All data must be converted in SI system, since here only CGS unit is given. So 200 is equal to 200 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram or 0.2 kilogram, and put all this value and find. All the best friends. Thank you.